Hello, welcome to our second example on hire purchase price. An example goes, the hire purchase price of a public address system was 276,000. A deposit of 60,000 was paid, followed by 18 equal monthly installments. The cash price of the public address system was 10% less than the hire purchase price. A. Calculate part 1, the monthly installment given to us. Part 2, the cash price. B. The customer decided to buy the system in cash and was allowed a 5% discount on the cash price. He took a bank loan to buy the system in cash. Bank loan was charged compound interest on the loan at the rate of 20% per annum. The loan was repaid in 2 years. Calculate the amount he repaid to the bank by the end of second year. C. Express as percentage of hire purchase price the difference between the amount repaid to the bank and the hire purchase price. That is our question. We will start from A. Solution. Our solution, that is A, part 1. Because the question is calculate the monthly installment. We know hire purchase price is equal to deposit plus total monthly installments. From here we are told that the hire purchase price of a public address system was, so we have hire purchase 276,000 is equal to deposit of 60,000 plus was paid by 18 equal monthly installments. We have number of months, that is 18, but we don't have each installment, the amount he was supposed to pay per month. Let's call it X. Let's call it X. So when you multiply, you get 18X. 60,000, yeah, 60,000, 60,000 plus 18X. So you are looking for X. You can alternate like 18X is equal to, this will come here and be subtracted, 1,000 minus 60,000. 18X is equal to 276,000 minus 60,000, you get 216,000. So therefore, X will be, let's use our calculator. Our calculator scientific calculator is 216,000 divided by 18. The answer is 12,000. X will be 12,000 Kenya shillings. This is what we call the monthly installments. You got the monthly installment. Now we are going to B. Let's go to part 2 of A. Part 2 of A. Part 2 of A, it says, part 2 of A says, that is part 2 of A, the cash price. From here we are told the higher purchase price of a public address system was, then if the higher purchase price is this one, and the cash price of the public address system was 10% less than the higher purchase price. Therefore, that is HP will be 276,000. But we are told cash price will be 10% less. That is 100% minus 10% less. Higher purchase price is 100%, and we are told cash price is 10% less of the higher purchase price. That means it's 100 minus 10 is 90. So 100% represents 276,000. What about 90%? This percentage will represent how much? This will be 90 over 100 times 276,000. This will give us this 0 with this one, this 0 with even this one. So it will be 90 times 276,000. The answer will be in Kenya shillings. 90 times 276. We now go back to our calculator. Scientific calculator. We say 90 times 276,000. We get 248,400 Kenya shillings. This is the cash price. This is now the cash price. The cash price, you get it, it's 10% less of the higher purchase price. If higher purchase price is 100%, then it means if 10% we less from 100, we get 90%. 90% we look for the value which represents 90, we get 248,400, which is the cash price. We are headed to B now. Let's go to part B. We will do away with this one. We will do away with this one too. We are headed to part B. Part B says part B. This is B. Part B says a customer decided to buy the system in cash and was allowed a 5% discount on the cash price. Remember, the cash price is from above we got. Let's write like cash price was 248,400. That is what we got earlier as cash price. Now, a customer decided to buy the system in cash price and was allowed further a 5% discount on the cash price. He took a bank loan to buy the system in cash. You get that? After the customer was given a 5% discount on this cash price, he took a bank loan to buy the system in cash. Therefore, we want to get the value of the amount the customer was supposed to pay after getting 5% discount. Now we say 100% of the cash represents 248,400. What about now you less 5 from 100, 95% will be how much? This will be equal to 95 over 100 times 248. 248, 400. Let's go back to our calculator. 0 to 0 goes. Our calculator, scientific one, says 95 times 248, no, 248.4. That's 2,484. Yes. The answer is, we get, the customer is going to pay 235,980. But remember, our customer here does not have this cash at hand. So he opted going for a bank loan. And this bank loan was given, a bank loan was charged a compound interest on the loan at the rate of 20% per annum. The loan was repaid in 2 years. He went for this as a loan, but he was charged on compound interest after 2 years. That is the time he was supposed to repay the amount. Now we are asked to calculate the amount he repaid to the bank by the end of second year. Now this calls for compound interest formula. That is, the amount is equal to principal times into 1 plus rate of 100 raised to power n. We have principal here, rate we have it's 20, and n we have is 2 years. Now we are good to go. The answer is 235,980 of 1 plus r is 20 over 100 raised to power 2. Raised to power 2. No. Now we go to, okay, we can go with this one. We go do away with this one. We do away with this one now. Our space is becoming limited. We do away with this one now that we have been given. We have the whole question. We get the product of this one. This is the same as, now we can go come to this side. 235,980, this figure here, times, we can get this one, 0.2, 0.2 into bracket 1 plus 0.2 raised to power 2. Yes, this will be 235,980 times 1.02 raised to power 2. Now we can use our scientific calculator. The answer will be in Kenya shillings. 235 times 1.02 raised, that is square. You get 245,000, 513.60. You can do into two decimal places. This is now the amount he repaid the bank by the end of second year. After getting 235,908, our customer here paid 245,513 as the whole amount after getting this loan from the bank, this 235. Yes, now we can go to the last part where we are asked, that is C, express as percentage of hire purchase price the difference between the amount repaid to the bank and the hire purchase price. We know that hire purchase, that is part C. Let's go to part C. Part C says express as percentage of hire purchase price the difference between the amount repaid to the bank and the hire purchase price. The amount repaid to the bank was that is the difference is 276,000, that is hire purchase price, minus 5,513 and 60% and 60 cents. The difference will be 276,000 minus 245, 513 and 60. We get difference of 30,000. That is 30,486 and 40 cents. This is it. Then now as percentage we get is 30,486 over the amount to the bank and express as percentage of LPP. So we 276,000 times 100. This means we divide by the answer, divide by answer, divide by, so it's equal 30,486.40 divide by 276,000 get times 100. The answer is 11.05%. This is the answer. Our customer, by going for cash, he saved 11% of the amount he could have spent by going on higher purchase price. So he spent 30,406 and 40 cents less when he went for a bank loan on cash. Up to that level, that is how you can easily score 10 marks in section 2 of commercial arithmetic in this question under higher purchase price. I hope you followed well, and if there is a question, you have any question and comment, kindly just write it under this video, under the comment section. But please make sure you share and like our video for more information and more videos to come. Next, we are going to look example number 3 under higher purchase price. Have a good day. Thank you.